What's up everyone, it's your boy Shadows here, back with another video, and today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use green screen animations on my videos. Now this is going to be like blue screen animations or anything like that. I just use green screen just because I don't know. But yeah, this is how I do it. But yeah, before we get into the video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you guys never miss a video. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open up Power Director, which is the app I use. You guys could use other apps. Don't know if they have the feature that I'm going to be using, but I use Power Director because it's just the most easiest thing to use for me, in my opinion. So you open up Power Director. Then when Power Director is open, you just hit New Project. You could put in a project name. I'll just use like tutorial right there, tutorial. And then we're going to hit 16 by 9. You could do 9 by 16 or 1 by 1. At any aspect ratio, but I just use 16 by 9. That's what I use for all my videos. Then you come into the video, you click the video that you want. So I'm just gonna put in my intro here, just for an example. I'm just gonna mute it because I don't really want any of the audio. So then, after you put the intro in, this is your main video. You want to have a second video below it, which you click this icon right here. Click it, go into this. Then you want to click on the green screen animation or like blue screen or whatever screen you want, and then you want to click it. Also, guys, I've actually had some comments on how I do this. I'll leave them on the screen right now on how to do this. So that's why I'm doing this, because I've actually had some comments on how to do these green screen animations, stuff like that. So here we are. So then we have the green screen animation, like you can see the like button, all that stuff. So you want to click on it. You want to click chroma key, and then all you have to do is click this, make it go like that. And all you have to do is tap the part where you don't want it in, which is the green stuff. So all I have to do is tap green, and then bang, it deletes all of it. Then color range, I just bring that up to 100, and then this one I just bring it down to 0. And that's all I do. And it's very simple, super easy, super quick. Then you just go back, and then if I do this, it's all gone. So then I just resize it, get it a little tall, get it bigger, because it's very small. And then you can just bring it down to the area I want it. And then if I play it, see, if you go in, like, share, subscribe, the notification thing, it's very simple, very easy. Now, I don't know if all of the editing apps have this feature where you can do this, have like a second video below it. But I know Power Director does, and that's what I love about Power Director, is that you can do this. And that's one of the main reasons why I use Power Director, is because of this. So yeah, but that's pretty much it. I hope you guys did enjoy. And I have some videos coming up, guys, so stay tuned. I don't know how long it'll be until I actually record them, but I have some good ideas on a video. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out, guys. Bye.